Today is a very exciting day, man. I've been waiting for this for about 3 months, man. Finally, it arrived. Well, yeah, I just got a call from the trucking company. They're gonna be in the front about 5 minutes. I called my boy Baseball to give me a hand to bring that equipment inside. We're getting that Anatol washbooth, nice and red. It's gonna go there. It's gonna complete my whole equipment. And I'm so excited, man. Let's do this. All right, we got the washbooth inside the shop already, but look how big. Oh man, this is a big washbooth right here. Also, man, it's heavy duty. Let me tell you, it's heavy duty, and what I like the most is that it's already installed. All I had to do was, as you saw, get it out of the crate, bring it in, and that's it. The only thing I got installed is the hose to hook it up to the drain. And then we good. The lighting on the back is already hooked up. I guess all I gotta do is plug it in. Now I'm just gonna come and take it to the wash booth area. I'm gonna move the old wash booth all the way towards the left, put the dip tank in the middle, and then put this right there in that corner there. Hope it fits. It's 4 feet wide. I'm trying to make sure that it fits well. And that old wash booth, I'm not gonna throw it away. You know, that was a blessing. I wanna thank Karen from Bagware for giving me that as a gift, that wash booth that I have, man. It really came in handy. This is one of the last piece of equipment that I was waiting for, saving my money. Don't like using credit, save my money, take your time, and then go get your stuff, man. But right now, I'm just gonna take it, try to put it in there, and let's see how it looks. Oh man, it fit perfectly. Oh man. Perfect. I can't believe that it really fit there real nice. So if you notice, I'm keeping the old wash booth because I'm gonna use that one to reclaim screens where all the ink and all the emulsion just stays right through there. And then keep this one just to wash off the stencils, degrease them, you know, and just make sure that the screen is all nice and clean. But I am happy. The space is on the money, man. So right now I'm gonna go to Photoshop. I got a job I gotta do because it's my grandson's first birthday. So my daughter sent me a design that she wants me to work with. So it's a 3-color print on a black shirt. So we're gonna work on the underbase, and I'm gonna show you real quick on Photoshop how to separate those colors, and then use this wash booth by washing all the stencil, and let's get ready. So here we are at Photoshop. This is the design. I had to sneak in that my first birthday it is, so it came out real nice. And the back of the shirt is gonna have that. The best birthday squad in the galaxy. Real nice, nice and clean and all that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the design first. And I want you to go and duplicate that layer. Press OK. Now we duplicate that layer because we're gonna take out the back is just for the black background. Take it out to see how it looks. So we're gonna duplicate the layer. Once we duplicate the layer, we're gonna go to the first one, and what we're gonna do now is just make it all solid, just because that's gonna be the underbase, okay? So what you do real quick is you go to filter, filter gallery, and there it is. Showing real nice. I gotta clean this up a little. I'll clean this up with the eraser. Once I clean it up, now you have the underbase. So now, after that you already have the underbase. What you want to do is contract that underbase, because if not, if you don't do it, when you put the other colors, what's gonna happen is you're gonna see the little outline of the white coming out of the design. You don't want that. So what we're gonna do is go to magic wand, click anywhere, press similar. Now it highlights everything. Then you're gonna go to select and you're gonna modify and you're gonna contract. And my number that I contract is, you could do 1, 2. I like 2 because I don't want to stress that situation, you know, when I'm registering. So I press 2. Now it's contract. Now it's gonna make it smaller. There you see the highlight. Now come and copy. Now there it is. So what I'm gonna do now is I just gonna come and double click and name it under base, and there goes the underbase right there. That's screen number 1. Second, now we're gonna come back to the colors. You're gonna go with the magic wand, simple. All you're using is the magic wand. Click on the green, similar. There it is, all highlighted. Now you're gonna come and copy, and there goes all the green. Now you're gonna come and double click and rename it to green. There goes the green layer, simple. Now you're gonna come to filter gallery. Now it's gonna make it all in black because we're gonna print on the film. Okay, there it is now. Now you're gonna come back to the design, and now you're gonna click on, with the magic wand, you're gonna click on the brown, similar, highlights all the brown. Now you're gonna come and copy, and there goes the shirt of the brown. Same thing, double click and name it brown, enter. Now I already got all my films. Go to filter, gallery, simple, press OK, and there it is. It's in black. So now you have that. You have the underbase, you have the green. You see that it was already, you see the difference? Look, underbase, now the green is a little bigger. So when you register, you're not gonna have that white outline coming out. So now they're all done. Now what I'll do, I'll just transfer it to my registration template where it has the registration, where I could just set it up real quick. And now let me just print it out and burn the screens, and let's register this. Let's do this. This video is sponsored by Printavo. Printavo is a simple screen printing management software. Printavo will help you manage orders, handling schedules, automation, and online stores. Regardless if you are a small or big print shop, Printavo will help you streamline your business. Right now, if you go to printavo.com and use the promo code Taino, you'll get 50% off your first month. So that's a pretty good deal. The first month, 50% off, just to try it out. Try it out because it's gonna help you, especially with the coding, have everything organized, ready for right now, like the taxes are coming. So go to printavo.com and use the promo code Taino, and I wanna thank Printavo for sponsoring today's video. Now back to me. Those shirts came out fire, man. I love it. I love the pictures too, man. So let me tell you about my 4 kids. 2 of them live in Florida, which is my oldest one that gave birth to Lucas, and my youngest son of my twins. He's over there in Florida. I got my other 2 right here, which my daughter's about to graduate from Albany University. That's a blessing. But let me tell you something, man. My daughter was always told by doctors that she cannot have kids. For many years, she cannot have kids. She tried, and she just held on her faith, always wanting a child, and God bless her with a beautiful son named Lucas, man. Oh, my God. She is so happy. I know she's going to be a great mother. I can't wait to go to Florida and see him. I've been a little busy here, but I'm going to try to take time this summer and go over there. We'll vlog it. We'll do it. Oh, my God. But it is awesome, man. But, yeah, so that's about the word of faith, man. Just keep having faith. It might take a long time, but if you trust in God, He will answer. So if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be thankful always, be grateful always, and just let God take you on the ride. Peace out.